With the 2024 elections seemingly tilting in favor of the BJP, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to address party workers at the party headquarters at 6:30 pm, following celebratory festivities that commence at 5 pm. The Bharatiya Janata Party has emerged as the front runner in the assembly elections of Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, according to early trends released by the Election Commission. In Rajasthan, the BJP has surged ahead, leading in 96 seats compared to the Congress's 67. As the counting process continues, the BJP's dominance has become increasingly evident. The party's performance surpasses the predictions of several exit polls, solidifying its position in the state. With the BJP crossing the 100 mark, the focus now shifts to the potential leadership scenarios, including the future role of Vasundhara Raje and the possibilities of new faces emerging within the party. In Madhya Pradesh, the BJP has a commanding lead. This decisive advantage reinforces the BJP's stronghold in the state, which has been its bastion for the past 2 decades, barring a brief period of Congress rule in 2018. Interestingly, the BJP has yet to officially announce its candidate for the chief ministerial position despite incumbent Shivraj Singh Chauhan's experience and 4-term tenure as chief minister. In Chhattisgarh, the BJP has emerged as the front-runner. The early trends stem from the counting of postal ballots. The two-phase elections held on November 7 and 17 witnessed a voter turnout of 76.31%. The electoral battlefield features a diverse range of candidates, including prominent figures like Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel, Deputy Chief Minister T.S. Singhdeo, and former CM Raman Singh. In contrast to BJP's dominance in the other 3 states, Telangana presents a different picture. The Congress holds a lead in Telangana, with the ruling BRS maintaining control. The AIMIM, led by Owaisi, holds a marginal edge, while the BJP has secured lesser seats. Stay tuned for all the result updates at One India News.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.